In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can install WhatsApp on your laptop. So you're going to go to whatsapp.com, and once you're there, select download. Then open the installer. The installer is currently downloading WhatsApp. Then select get started, and then all you need to do from here is just open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the menu icon, right? Then you're going to go to settings on your phone and then tap link device. The instruction is here, and then you're going to scan the QR code on your laptop, or you have the option of linking with your mobile phone number by selecting link with a phone number. Enter your phone number and then select next to complete the steps, and it will send you a verification code, right? However, I do not want to link my WhatsApp right now. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.